Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to Pakistan School Muscat. My dear students, this is your social study class, grade 2. I am your teacher, Miss Lubna Ashraf with you. My dear student, today we will start the lesson number 15, water. Book page number 71 and 72. You know very well, water is very important for us. We cannot survive without water. All living things we cannot live without water. My dear student, our earth is called the blue planet. Our earth's surface 70% covered with water. So water is very important for all things, plants, human beings and animals. We can get the water from the river, seas, lakes, rain, and different sources of water. A sea is a large body of salty water. We cannot drink this water since it is salty. So my dear student, my question is, where does water come from? You can see here the picture of water cycle. The water in the seas, lakes and rivers get heated by the sun and becomes water, vapors, clouds. When the sea water, lake water, river water heated up by the sun, so the water vapor make the water vapor and water vapor form in the clouds. The moisture in the clouds fall back on earth as rain and snow, and again form in the water. Rain and snow are two sources of fresh water on earth. Some of the rainwater soak into ground, some run into streams and rivers, river flow into the seas. There are two sources of water. First is natural sources of water. Oceans, rivers, lakes, streams, ponds are the natural sources of water. The second source of water is man-made sources of water. You can see here the dams, reservoirs, wells, tube wells. These are the man-made sources of water. Reservoirs and dams are built to store river water. This water is taken by canals and through pipes to where it is needed. We use these reservoirs and dams water at home. It is used in homes and factories for farming and for others. Now student, what is the use of water in daily life? We use water in daily life in many ways. We use the water for bathing, for cooking, for washing, for cleaning, for drinking and planting the trees. So we use the water very carefully. Okay? And drink the plenty of water. Some things to remember, student, in your mind. Number one is never waste water. It means that water is very important for us. So never waste the water. When you turn on a tap, don't forget to turn it off again. Number two is don't throw any rubbish into water sources like wells, tanks, rivers, or the seas. You will make the water dirty. Keep drinking clean and cover water. Keep drinking clean and cover water. Number four is if your water is dirty, so this water is harmful for people and the creatures and plants that live in water. You can get skin diseases and plants and animals in the water can die due to the dirty water. Always drinking clean water, boiled water, because drinking dirty water can make you very ill. So students, these are the very important points. I hope you have to remember it and keep in your mind, and you should keep in your mind and be careful about the water. There is the same amount of water on the earth today as there was when the earth was first formed. You know very well our 70% earth surface is covered with the water. So we have to use the water very carefully and don't waste the water. My dear student, this is your reading of book page number 70 and 72. Everyone do the reading practice again. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.